In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways you can optimize your Google searches. Way number 1 is using double quotes for exact match. Let's just say you want to search and you want to know what the tallest building is. So when you put it in double quotes, it will make sure every search has tallest building in the name or in somewhere in it. The next way is using the cite keyword. So if you do cite:"reddit.com. Now let's say you want to find some stuff on reddit.com. Everyone knows the search on Reddit sucks, so you would use Google instead by doing cite:"reddit.com, and then you just say, let's say you want tech support. So you search tech support, and boom, all of the sites that pop up are Reddit. And then the last way is using the dash key. Now let's say you want to know how fast does a Jaguar run, or really anything about Jaguars. When you search Jaguar normally, you get Jaguar the car. However, let's just say I want to see the animal, so you would do dash. You would put a dash car. So the dash is excluding anything that has to do with the word afterwards. So as you can see, now our things are all animals. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.